How to fix WhatsApp your contacts aren't synced problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the your contacts aren't synced problem on WhatsApp. So whenever you open WhatsApp and go to the contacts section, and your WhatsApp isn't displaying your saved phone numbers, or you keep seeing the message, your contacts aren't synced, just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're inside, scroll down a little until you find Apps, then tap on it. Next, go to Manage App or App Management. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap it and type WhatsApp, then open the WhatsApp app info page from the results. Now scroll down and choose Permissions. This is where WhatsApp gets access to things like your contacts, camera, storage, and more. Inside Permissions, look for Contacts. If it says Don't Allow or No Permission, that's the reason your contacts aren't showing. Just tap it once and switch it to Allow. Great. Once that's done, go back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop to refresh everything. After that, reopen WhatsApp. You should now see all your contacts showing properly. The issue should now be completely fixed. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tech fixes.